Hey design warriors, welcome back. Choosing between Webflow, Figma and Figma for your web project. Well, I'm breaking down features, pricing and use cases to find the ultimate tool for designers, devs and entrepreneurs. Let's craft your perfect site. Okay, overview. So WebView, launched in 2012, is a no-code web builder for responsive professional websites. With 720 sites, it offers a robust CMS, SEO tools and custom code flexibility, ideal for businesses per creative corner. Now we have Figma. So this one from 2015 is evolved from prototyping to a design-first web builder, serving 70,000 plus sites. Its Figma-like canvas and animation tools suit interactive designs. Now Figma, a 2016 design tool, excels in collaborative prototyping and UI/UX mockups, not for websites but integrates with both. So Webflow is for scaling, Figma for aesthetics, and Figma for design first. Okay, my friends, now let us talk about the features and use cases. Webflow shines for complex sites. Its drag and drop editor, CSS grid and CMS handle blogs, e-commerce and portfolios with enterprise hosting. Best for agencies and startup needing scalability. Now, in terms of Figma, it focuses on interactive prototypes and small sites with Figma imports, real-time collaboration and AI tools for quick designs per alien design. Perfect for UX designers and small businesses. And Figma, lastly, is king for team design, offering real-time editing and smart animate for mockups but lacks publishing. Use it for wireframes before exporting to Webflow or Figma. Pick based on your project size. Okay, now pricing. So firstly, Webflow. The basic plan is $14 a month for simple sites. CMS is $23 a month and adds dynamic content. E-commerce starts at $29 a month, but it's steep for beginners per efficient.app. Now, Figma. Its free plan offers 3 sites with branding. Mini, which is $5 a month, or Pro, $25 a month, unlocks custom domains. Figma's free plan suits small teams, professional, $12 a month, adds collaboration. Webflow's learning curve is toughest, needing CSS basics. Figma feels like Figma, easier for designers, and Figma is the most intuitive. Okay, now guys, let us talk about the pros and cons. So Webflow pros: scalable CMS, SEO power, custom code. Cons: complex interface and pricey. Now Figma. Pros: fast prototyping, Figma-like ease. Cons: weak CMS, no e-commerce. Now Figma. Pros: collaboration, free tier. Cons: no publishing. So choose Webflow for robust sites, Figma for quick animated designs, and Figma for pre-built mockups per BroWorks.net. So my friends, that's pretty much it. Now we are ready to make a conclusion. So Webflow rules for professional scalable websites. Start your site today. You can try its free plan at the website. Guys, that's pretty much it. Smash that like, subscribe, and of course, comment your pick below. See you in the next one.